Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you. In this video, I will talk about some important tips with you to improve your English speaking skills. And I want to tell you one thing, that the purpose of this video is just to help you improve your English by listening to me speak in English. So if you find speaking English challenging, you have come to the right place, because here I will share simple and effective techniques to help you become a confident English speaker. Although if I talk about myself, I also don't have much confidence in English either, but I will definitely teach you everything. I will try to express my thought, I will try to express my experience with you. Whatever I have learned, I will tell you in this video. So this video is going to be an invaluable resource for anyone looking to enhance their English speaking skills. So without any further ado, let's get started. Friends, when we speak in Hindi, we converse in Hindi, or the language that you have been speaking since childhood. You speak it well, and you don't face any difficulty in speaking this language. But when it comes to another language, you struggle to speak. And if you manage to speak, you have to translate it before you can speak. And this is the biggest problem of every English learner. Actually, I tell you one thing. Actually, when we think in our mother tongue first and then try to convert it into English, it consumes time unnecessarily. This is wrong, and you will not be able to speak English fluently if you keep doing all this. If you keep translating Hindi into English in your head. Now you must be thinking, how do I think in English? How do we start thinking English? So I tell you, you can do one thing before going to bed at night. Whatever happened throughout the day, whatever happened with you throughout the day, think about it in English. Whatever happened throughout the day, just think about it in English and note down any broken or incorrect English that you thought in a diary. Okay, understand? And then you can check it with the help of Google Translate or Chat GPT to see where you made mistakes and where you did not. And this is the very good way to improve your English. Okay, now let's talk about the second most important topic, without which you can never speak English properly. Friends, no matter how strong your vocabulary is, if your grammar is not strong, your English is incomplete. Because without learning grammar, you cannot speak English well, nor can you score well in competitive exams, where good English is required. So now the question arises, where will you learn basic grammar for English? The first thing you have to do, grab a teacher online or offline, watch their videos, gain some knowledge, and then buy a book for English grammar. And let's assume that you have grasped the knowledge of English grammar, learned vocabulary. Now what? Now the question is, how do you speak English? I tell you, if it's true that people around you in your environment who speak English, okay, then learning English will be much easier for you. But whose environment is not like that, how can they speak English? This is the question every English learner think. You think and you think. You think if you don't surround yourself with people who are willing to speak with you in a language so that you can learn it, you might think it is impossible. It is almost impossible for me to learn the language. And you think I cannot be able to speak it. I may be able to speak a few sentences only, but I will not become fluent unless I find myself a good environment. These are the things that are thought of by every English learner. So these are all the things I wanted to share with you, and I have shared with you. And I will meet you in a new video. Bye.